Today, the FDA moved to eliminate trans fats from our food supply. The agency says they determined that while intake of the fats has significantly decreased, it still remains a public health concern. Hannah Daniels reports from Washington, D.C.
The Food and Drug Administration is giving food manufacturers 3 years to remove partially hydrogenated oils, the major source of trans fats, from their products. They are commonly used in processed foods to improve shelf life and flavor, but they can raise levels of bad cholesterol and lower the good cholesterol.
We estimate that today's action will prevent thousands of coronary heart attacks and deaths each year.
The FDA says between 2003 and 2012, trans fats consumption dropped nearly 80%, but some foods still have them.
We're really talking about foods that are processed. Things like box cookies, box crackers, pies, things like French fries.
Currently, foods are allowed to be labeled as having 0 grams of trans fat if it contains less than half a gram of trans fat per serving. But the FDA says even those small amounts can add up.
If they were eating more than 1 serving of that, they could really consume a high level of trans fats from that food and not even be aware of it.
5 grams of trans fat.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Did you know that when you picked this up?
I did not.
Any company that wants to keep using trans fats will have to petition the FDA to allow it. Hannah Daniels, CBS News, Washington.
Now, the Grocery Manufacturers Association, which is the main trade group for the food industry, is working on a petition to ask the FDA for certain exceptions.
Starting today, you'll be able to order